war, victory is not always determined by the physical battle itself. Laying the groundwork through careful calculation and strategy can often lead to success before making the first move. Those who have calculated well before the battle will likely emerge victorious, as they have considered every possible outcome and prepared accordingly. On the other hand, those who have not taken the time to strategize and calculate their moves may find themselves at a disadvantage. For in war, as in life, those who calculate more will often triumph over those who calculate less. But what about those who do not calculate at all? Victory is more likely to favor those who have taken the time to plan and consider their actions. So remember, success in both victory and defeat lies in the art of calculation. Thanks for watching the video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.